This video will provide you with useful tips on how to effectively load your dishwasher and achieve the best washing and drying performance. The lower basket receives the highest level of pressure via the lower spray arm and should therefore be used for heavily soiled items. Place pots and pans upside down for the best wash results. Anti-drip inserts are supplied with most Smeg dishwashers. These will improve the drying of the dishes by facilitating the water to run off the cutlery. They may already be supplied in the dishwasher in the lower basket, or they may be found in the accessory bag. In this case, to use them, simply position them over the dishwasher basket spokes. Depending on the model, the dishwasher may come equipped with collapsible pan supports. By lowering to the flat position, it is easier to load pots, pans and larger items into the dishwasher. Supports for cups and log objects, ladles, spoons, etc. can be found on the rear or the sides of the bottom basket. These can be tipped to the vertical position when not in use. Some dishwashers come supplied with a glass holder, ideal for long stem glasses. It can be locked into 3 different positions and extended for extra support. Dishwashers with a cutlery basket found in the bottom basket of the cabinet are suitable for all types of cutlery, except for long items that may interfere with the upper spray arm. In this case, the cutlery should be arranged in the spaces in the upper racks to allow for efficient washing. Forks and spoons should be loaded with the handles facing downwards. This basket can slide across the dishwasher lower basket and can therefore be placed in any position to allow the optimal use of space. Selected Smeg dishwashers come with a top cutlery tray. By spacing out the cutlery, it ensures that utensils are thoroughly cleaned, making it easier to add and remove items in a more hygienic way, and it's much safer as knives can be positioned with the blade facing downwards. It's also useful for positioning long utensils lengthways. If your model comes with the Flexi Duo cutlery tray, there are 2 independent sliding pull-out tray racks for easier loading and unloading of cutlery. Various loading configurations are possible. For example, large cups and glasses can be loaded with the left-hand rack set in the lower position, whilst the right-hand rack, or both, can be removed to allow large dishes to be put in the top basket. It is possible to remove individual sections of the tray or the whole tray for making more space in the middle basket. Ladles, wooden spoons and kitchen knives can be placed on the upper rack of the top basket. The height of this top basket can also be adjusted on some models to allow larger dishes or pans to be placed in the bottom basket. In addition, there may be the option to adjust this basket to 3 different heights. To ensure the basket locates correctly, the basket must be loaded in a level position. To raise the basket, take hold of both handles, pulling out slightly and lifting upwards until the desired level is reached. To reduce the height, repeat the process but by lowering the basket. Adjustment is also possible with the basket loaded, but be careful due to the increased weight. With all of these options for adjustment, the Smeg dishwashers allow you to maximise space and improve wash performance. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.